to my channel. This is Crystal. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing well and safe. So in today's video, it's going to be a makeup transformation, and I'm going to do the makeup of Selena Gomez in her most recent music video with Blackpink. And I'm gonna do her makeup look when she was in the ice cream truck. And honestly, I think that it's the best makeup on her because it makes her look super fresh. It just gives her this really youthful look, and I don't know, I just really like it. And also, I think it's Korean inspired makeup. Let me know if you guys want me to recreate the makeup look of the other members of Blackpink in the music video Ice Cream. But before anything, I want to congratulate Selena Gomez, as if she's watching this video. I want to congratulate Selena Gomez for the launch of her own makeup brand, and it's called Rare Beauty. And this is not like any other makeup brand. She actually has an advocacy for this. I am gonna read to you guys what Rare Beauty is about. One of their goals is what they call the Rare Impact Fund. The goal of the Rare Impact Fund is to raise $100 million over the next 10 years to help address the gaps in mental health services for underserved communities. From the first Rare Beauty product sold onward, 1% of all sales as well as funds raised from partners will be dedicated to the Rare Impact Fund that aims to increase access to mental health resources. It's going to help a lot of mental health services, and it's also going to be very helpful for a lot of individuals with mental health problems. So I really think it's a good advocacy. I'm just really a fan, and I wish I can try Rare Beauty very soon. I think it's only sold in Sephora. I'm not sure if it's going to be available in Sephora Philippines, but it's already available in many countries. Okay, let's now move on to the makeup transformation. I haven't done a makeup transformation in a while, so I'm really excited for this one. Since my hair is extremely dry, I don't put heat on my hair anymore, so I just put my hair in a bun to recreate the curls that she has. I'm gonna show you guys the picture here. She looked stunning in that video. I'm going to start my base with the Careline Blur Stick. I'm just gonna fill in my pores with this. I have listened to the whole song, but it hasn't stuck in my head yet, so I have to listen to it a couple of times. And I've watched the music video Ice Cream. The song is still not stuck in my head. You guys know when you hear a song the first time, you're not yet a big fan, but after hearing a couple of times, you're like, oh, this is definitely something I could listen to all the time. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Golden Beige. So as I was saying, Selena Gomez has her own makeup brand now. She doesn't have much products for the eyes yet, like she doesn't have an eyeshadow palette yet. Most of her products are for complexion, like cream blushes. She has foundation. I think she has 40 shades for foundation. She also has for the brows and eyeliner. She has a lip balm and a couple of lip products. And I have seen so many reviews about her makeup brand, and a lot of people liked it, and people had mixed feelings about it. Of course, people have different skin types, different needs for makeup. Some people want really full coverage or like very intense makeup, but her makeup is geared towards people who are more into like natural beauty or natural makeup. So her foundations are not really that full coverage, but it's buildable. And then I heard so many good reviews about her cream blushes though, and her lip products look so good. I just want to try each and every shade. Her brows look very soft, but it's defined. It doesn't look strong. Looks very natural and fluffy, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just using this brow pomade sample. Top of the tail of her brows look rounded. Just gonna make this top part more round, and then it goes down here a bit thin, like that. Looks like it has like this shape on the front of her brows. So that's what we're gonna do. So I had to switch to a different color because I'm going to define the top of my brows. So her brows look rounded on top, and then I'm gonna blend. So the front part of her left brow is just straight like this. You guys see that? And the other side is more slanted, like the front. So that's what I'm doing. Some of you might say that I look nothing like her. I know. I really do know that. That is why this is called a makeup transformation video, because I'm trying to recreate her makeup. Just cleaning my brows using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It looks like she used a lighter brow gel, so I'm just gonna use this one from Heavy Rotation. For eye, she has this very simple cut crease. Looks very natural. She didn't really use any crazy colors. For that, I'm gonna use the Pastel Nude eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna start with this matte brown first. And it looks like the color is slightly pulled outwards like this. Using a more precise brush, I'm going to use my Mina Pro eyeshadow maker palette B, and I'm gonna take a darker brown since I need to like really emphasize the cut crease. I'm just going to cut my crease more with this. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and take that same color because her crease looks really sharp. There you go, that's what I'm trying to achieve, but I'm gonna blend it out more. Here she has very light crease color, and I feel like it has a little bit of shimmer, so I'm just gonna start with this shade first. Right here, it's like a light champagne shade from the Me Now palette again. She looks like she has a matte brow bone color, so I'm gonna use this one. It's a brow bone shade that is matte from the Me Now palette. I'm going to contour my nose with this color right here. And I'm gonna copy her nose shape. Okay, so now we are going to do the eyeliner, and this is actually the most important step for this makeup look. Take a look at your lower lash line. So where it ends, just follow that. Just do a straight line following that shape. All you have to do is just follow that line and do a straight wing like that. Then I'm going to line my eyes like normal, but I am going to make it a little bit thick. So you're gonna want to connect that to the wing with a straight line. Wait, actually hers look a little bit straight, so I'm gonna erase some of this with my nails. I usually just erase my liner with my nails, and that will fix everything. So hers kind of look more straight than mine. Like, it looks more straight like this. I'm just gonna change that. I'm just gonna erase that. So my liner kind of cracks when you scratch it, so that's how I erase the liner. Don't forget to cover all the gaps, and for the liner part, you should cover all the skin that's peeking through. You might want to tilt your head so you can see the skin. Her wing looks really sharp. We're gonna flick the brush like that to elongate the liner and as well as make it really, really sharp. Okay, so before anything, I'm gonna apply my lashes. I don't have lashes, same with hers. It has those thin, longer hairs on the edge of her lashes, but this is the closest that I have with her lashes. So I'm just gonna apply this and then I will be right back. I don't know if you guys are going to agree with me, but the most natural makeup looks are the hardest to copy. Then I'm gonna ever so slightly highlight the bridge of my nose with the Showell Perfect Powder in 001. This is a nice light powder. It's very pigmented, so you can definitely highlight your nose with this. Then I'm gonna go back to concealer and conceal my under eyes and highlight my face. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. I'm gonna put some of this on the back of my hand and clean up below the liner even more. Before I finish the rest of my makeup, I'm going to set my face with the same powder. Selena has a higher cheekbone, so I'm going to also highlight my cheekbone with just a matte highlighter. I'm going to slightly contour my face with the Showil Perfect Powder in the shade 03, and this is the contour shade. I'm going to use a brown pencil liner, and then I'm just going to darken this area because she has, seems to be like a brown liner right here. And then she added liner only on the outer corner too. So it's only on the inner and outer corner. I'm also going to be lining the waterline, but only the outer. Go back and use the matte brown shade again from the Pastel Nude palette. And I'm just going to go along my lower lash line with this. Nothing too harsh. Doesn't look like she has a lot of mascara on her lower lash line, but I'm just going to apply a little bit just to put the look together. She looks like she has a grayish brown shadow on her lower lash line, but just on the outer corner. So I'm going to use this one from the Me Now palette, and I'm just going to soften the liner that I have there, and as well as just add that grayish brown shadow there. And for blush, she looks like she just has this really cute pink color on her cheeks, so I'm just gonna use this blush duo from Daiso. I'm gonna use the matte shade right here. You guys see the color? So yeah, it's like a lavender pink. Okay, so we're almost done with the makeup, and the last thing we have to do now is to apply the lip color. I'm just gonna black out my lips first with the concealer, and then I'm gonna try to copy her lip shape. You guys know that I don't really own a lot of pink lipsticks. The only color that I saw in my collection that's very similar to her lip color is the Revlon Color Burst Matte Lip Balm, and this is in the shade Showy Flamboyant. So here it's just a pink matte lip balm. So I have a pink liner that is exactly the same color as the lipstick, and I'm just gonna line my lips first. Okay, there you go. As you can see, it's way too loud. No. This is not her lip color. I'm gonna have to change this. So I'm gonna use this lip color. I've never used this one. I got this as a gift from like a lipstick set. It's the Glossy Lipstick by Jackie and Lauren. It looks like she has a darker lip liner on her lower lip, so I am just going to add shadow here. Don't forget to top it off with a gloss. We are finally finished with the makeup look. And since I tied my hair in a bun, I have this nice curls. Very natural looking, but I didn't apply any heat. This is the curls that I'm trying to achieve by just tying it in a bun. My lashes came off. Oh, wait, I have to fix that. Unfortunately, I don't have the same hat that she's wearing, and I also don't have a similar shirt like this. I'm actually really happy with how this look turned out. I think it's really fresh and very Korean inspired. This lipstick looks really good with simple eye makeup, but with this intense liners.